I love strawberries. It's too sour. Hello, my name is Sanjiro, a food aficionado, and today I have a lot of strawberry in my bowls, but they are too sour that I cannot eat. So I would like to turn this into a strawberry jam, and jam is very easy to make, and it can make with any sour fruits with only two ingredients, only the fruits and the sugar. So let's go into the kitchen and see how to make it. Firstly, put the fruits and the sugar into the pan. Use medium heat. Keep stirring the mixture for 10 minutes until they become very sticky. Like you can divide them into half and they don't come back together. That means it's alright. Then you put in the jar and then flip upside down. And here is our cute little strawberry jam. Yay! The point is, when you put the strawberry jam inside, don't forget to do it like this so that the lid can close properly, and we can see that we cannot push at the lid here. That means it's sealed properly already. Alright? And that's all for this video for making jam. You can see that making jam is not difficult at all. You can turn any sour fruits into this jam that you can eat with anything you want, from the bread, toast, or even cheesecake. Alright? Okay, please share with me what kind of fruit would you like to make the jam in the comment below, and I would be very happy to hear from you. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe and press like to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.